Ford has arguably been the leader of the heavy-duty truck game for quite some time. At Rocky Ridge, that gives us both a challenge and a great starting point. The Rocky Ridge Ford Super Duties start out with our 6-inch custom suspension lift system. This complete package includes custom-built bracketry, proprietary springs, and custom valve shocks so that your truck not only looks more aggressive than anything on the road, but it also features premium ride quality mile after mile. From there, we move on to the rolling stock. Each Rocky Ridge Super Duty comes standard with 20-inch custom Rocky Ridge wheels. These wheels are wrapped in 37-inch BF Goodrich Mud Terrain KM3 tires. Diving into the details, you'll find color-matched fender flares and powered side steps for the ultimate solution in both toughness and convenience. To polish it all off, we adorn the truck with our custom emblems, hood accents, and a windshield banner. Each Rocky Ridge Ford Super Duty has a wide array of options as well. On site, we can custom paint the truck to match nearly any taste. We know that when you're driving one of the best trucks on the road built by Rocky Ridge, you want the world to see you coming. Climbing into the cab of a Rocky Ridge Ford Super Duty is an experience that never gets old. From the custom leather headrest to the Rocky Ridge gauge cluster, there are always constant reminders that you're driving a fully customized truck. It's not all flash though. Each Rocky Ridge Ford Super Duty comes equipped with our unique locking center console box to keep all of your valuables safe and secure. A one-of-a-kind custom truck built from front to back with the finest components in the industry, all wrapped into a ready-to-go package with no downtime, no waiting for parts, and no bull. While you see the F250 Rocky Ridge Ford Super Duty here, we also offer the 1-ton F350 model available with dual rear wheels as well. The Rocky Ridge Ford Super Duty lineup meets all federal motor vehicle safety standards, is backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on all parts sold, installed, and serviced as part of the Rocky Ridge build, all wrapped into a fully financed package through your local Rocky Ridge dealer. For more information on this and all Rocky Ridge products, visit us on the web at rockyridgetrucks.com or search your local dealer's inventory at liftedtrucksforsale.com.